Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Format and this is the best portfolio builder for artists. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description that you can get to extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. Now we are on the platform and what we are going to be doing is that I'm going to be uploading some items for my portfolio. Click on add item. You can choose to upload images, videos, text elements, header text and header images. I'm going with image and then upload images, and you can see on my local storage, let's say I want to upload a couple of photos for these headphones and stuff like that, which I randomly downloaded some time ago. Then just wait for a couple of seconds until it uploads. We can see one by one each of the image is being uploaded, so we are going to be uploading this. And the great thing is, once it is uploaded, it will be on your online gallery, as you can see in the back side. So you can also click on done. If you want to add descriptions, you can choose this option, click on done. You can see they are now added, and you can also choose go with captions, whatever you would like in here. Now you can delete those using the images. Now they are basically added onto your gallery. You can view your site. Now let's just give it a preview and you will be headed over to your preview section. So currently there is nothing visible since we do not have anything added. Now if I head back or just simply close this and head over to the design option, I'm going to be saving the changes and then it will be directed towards my design section. Here I can incorporate my images, so you can see they are now added, something like this. I'm going to be now viewing the site again since these settings are now saved, so you can see how these are looking really amazing. And let's just go back again. You can choose to share this, so if you want to share your portfolio, of course, then you can use the link or different type of code snippets to share it as well. You can add your workflows, sellings if you want to sell stuff and all that stuff. So it is quite simple and amazing. Make sure to give it a try. And if we talk about its reviews, they are of course going to be amazing since this is a very friendly and nice platform, excellent platform for photographers, best and easiest website builder, and so on and so forth. So you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching. Also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. With that being said, take care and see you in the next video.